There are three main reasons why companies choose to work with us. Reason number one, we build fast, mobile friendly websites that have clean coding for search engines to easily understand. Search engines want to provide their user with results that load fast and has clear content, and we believe we do that very well. Google actually published a website where anyone can test their website speed. We have it linked below. Give our website a test and see our results. We only build websites that are in the green. Reason number two, we write clear and compelling content. Content must be easy to read and clearly explain your product or service. First, we will develop the core pages such as About Us, Products or Services, Contact Us, Locations, and so on, with natural keyword placement. Afterward, we write ongoing articles about your industry, helpful articles that draw consumers to your product or service. Our content writing is ongoing. Reason number three, link building. Backlinks are very important. It's where other websites mention your business on their website. It's an ongoing process, and we work very hard at it. Also, it's important to have the right backlinks, not just any links. In fact, some links can hurt your website. We build links that are industry relevant and will help with ranking. In summary, our package is designed to be an ongoing, all-in-one solution for business owners. We design a clean website, fill it with helpful content, and build backlinks to grow your business online.